G'day guys, I'm Tor from Pro Stock Tips, and in a previous video you should recall that I predicted BBBY to enter into a short squeeze. Now it looks like this did actually occur, which is quite exciting. So in previous trading days, BBBY was up 60% in pre-market trading on a announcement of positive news, which was a share buyback program and a partnership with Kroger. So essentially, I believe that it now looks like BBY could continue into a more sustained short squeeze phase based on the chart action and the upward trend. Now, essentially, we know that BBBY has a high short interest. I don't have any up-to-date statistics on that, but it was certainly trading at above 20 to 27% short interest, which is relatively high, and something like 5 days to cover. So there's some good stats there. And essentially the buyback, they've announced that they're repurchasing $400 million in the remaining quarter. So this is quite exciting. So essentially that represents something like 17% of the current float. With BBBY buying back a large portion of its stock, whilst there's a high short interest, if they are forced to cover, then they're competing with BBBY, and not only that, but the short interest ratio should increase, due to the fact that the shares are being taken back off the market by BBBY through the repurchase program. So there'll be less, available stock, for those shorters, I guess, to repurchase. So essentially, I'm hoping for a short squeeze, especially if we see some positive earnings or an earnings beat, in the next quarter financials, which should include the run up to Christmas, so Christmas sales. I don't have any prediction on that, but certainly if there's any more good news that should comes out of BBBY, it could really initiate this short squeeze. And short squeezes are pretty popular at the moment. We saw Avis had a big one, so let's hope, fingers crossed, for BBBY short squeeze round 3, I guess. So let's see what happens. I haven't committed a large allocation of my portfolio to this particular trade. However, I do have some exposure, and I'm quite excited for it. Obviously, I'm trading this on Etoro, and obviously some people can copy my trades. Etoro is quite exciting trading platform to be trading BBBY stock for this upcoming short squeeze. Hopefully, let's hope that's what does take place. As obviously we would like some large returns relatively quickly. Thanks for watching, guys.